Story time with Dr. Judd today. Quick story. So, kind of comical, but kind of funny, but I think it's pertinent to your health. You can make anything about health. So I'm gonna make this story about health. I'm coming out of my neighborhood. We live in just kind of a rural area. There's a few spotted houses. Everybody's on about an acre. So we come out on this county road, and I come up to the stop sign, and there's a county road going in front of it. And a guy, it's at night, about 8:30, and he's coming in his truck. He's got a big truck. I'm in a big truck, and the roads are pretty narrow out on this small country road, and he's got his blinker on. And he's, I'm assuming he's kind of slowing down. And in order to be able to turn in front of me, I'm actually gonna have to kind of get out and then allow him to have enough room to actually even turn where he would come right beside me. So he's got his blinker on, and I kind of ease out, and then he just keeps going straight. And so I inch forward, and then I'm like, what is this guy doing? Is he crazy? Like, I'm trying to help him out, and then he pulls up again, and then my headlights are just shining right into his window. And I see him in there, and my daughter's sitting with me, and we're on our way to the dollar store to get Band-Aids of all things. And he's just like, wah! And I can see he's got blue eyes, and he's got his head shaved. I'm like, is this guy on drugs? Is he drunk? Or like, what in the hell? And he's got his window down, and I don't know what he said. I can't hear him at that point, but I rolled my window down. I'm like, you got your blinker on. And he goes, oh, my bad. And then just pulls away. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me, right? So I'm like, what? There's gotta be something here. What is the lesson inside this? And so he has blinker. He didn't have a clue. And I don't know if he was ignoring it, but he did not have a clue. And so sometimes your body, it has blinkers too. It gives you some warning signs. It gives you some signals. It gives you some symptoms sometimes. And sometimes we just ignore them. Sometimes we don't even notice that they're there. Or that we have our blinkers on so much or so long that we forget they're even on. And so where inside of your life is maybe a symptom popping up that you just think is normal because it's been on for so long that you forgot it's even there. And so I would encourage you to take a look at your body. Maybe it's a headache. Maybe it's constipated all the time. Maybe it's depression. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's this nagging, doesn't everybody have allergies? Or maybe it's this nagging pain that's only when you sit. And you keep ignoring that, and it's getting louder and louder. And the reason it's getting louder, it's not getting better because you've chosen to leave the blinker on. You've chosen to leave the symptom just sitting there, and now you don't even know it's on anymore. So take this for what you will, get a lesson out of it. It's a funny story, but I hope you find value in this. Until next time, guys, y'all be good.